Yeah man, it up on my forehead to over my eyeball. I don't want to put it too much in my eye socket, you know, cause child. So hi guys, what's up, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be making a facial mask for you. Yes, a facial mask. Now the ingredients: egg, turmeric, and a couple other secret ingredients. Let me come up a bit closer, because as you can see I have some open pores, mostly under my nose. Yeah, I understand my face, things bound to happen to it anyway. So without further ado, to the lab we go. Now let's get into the scrub. So this is my bowl. Of course I'm going to be using the egg white. Put you there, so, and then you see that what this the yolk, me just straighten and me something for when me do my breakfast. Alright, so this is what we are work with. Then my turmeric powder. Hear me I say, you see all of my powder them, and just allow me and my plastic bag alone. Downtown me get them, leave me alone and them. Take a little bit of my turmeric powder and my sprinkler in there, so. I don't know if I go on no more, you know. Wait. See how it look here to come together. Don't hold on, I should have used one fork. How kind of madness I do, Trina? So I got my fork and I'm going to whip it. Whip it real good. Whip it real good. So meanwhile I'm whipping this, I make it frat up as well. Yeah, make it frat up. I'm going to tell you some of the health benefits of this face mask. So as you know, I don't know if you know, it helps to tighten the pores, yes, remove dirt and dead skin cells from off the face. And the turmeric powder, let me just get the egg white. The turmeric powder, it helps to reduce the acne. And we have my secret ingredients. And it's not really secret, you know, because I kind of tend to use this in everything. And so we are going to, and if I could have put him in there and help scrub my face, no, I can't do that. I don't know if you watch my DIY lip scrub, but this is my my evening primrose oil. I love using it honestly on my skin because it just makes my skin have a glowy look. I really like it. It makes my skin look extremely healthy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pour the rest of this, squeeze it out in there because it's nice. Alright, so I put see, it's a farm up, man. I put the evening primrose oil in there, and the evening primrose oil, it kind of helps to reduce the roughness of the skin and the wrinkles, and it, as me say, it just gives your skin a really healthy look, what it's supposed to look. Alright, you remember my tea bag, me telling you said them something here have a whole heap of health benefit. In my lab, they can create a whole heap of things. Alright, this, I'm going to put this in here, in this. Me a Jamaican, everything good for something. Alright, now my aloe vera, the gel. I'm going to just do some of the gel in it, because you know aloe vera tighten your face, pores, and everybody you drink it. cleanse you. A whole heap of health benefit aloe vera have. Hey, me say aloe vera because I what the internet call it and is a proper pronunciation, but honestly in a Jamaica I really single Bible me know it as, but me just work with what the internet say. So Jesus, that texture is nice. Dark truth. Alright, so yeah, so this is what we're working with now. Alright, yes baby, so I am going to be seeing you inside my studio. Yeah. So welcome back to my studio again. Alright, so I have one all foundation brush but I'm gonna use to apply the mask to my face. See it here? I don't know, so this I make me something the ball do. I like it. Yes, that's what we like it. Anyway, let's get into it and see. So I'm gonna use this and just push it inside my skin. So this is what we're looking like now. Yes, after finish applying it, the mask, we can feel it and tighten it. The same, make sure put it every single way. Make sure put it everywhere. When we know, hold on. Yeah man, it up on my forehead over my eyeball. You don't want to put it too much in my eye socket, you know, cause child. You know, want nothing damage, but when I think it will go damage still. You check. Make sure if you do this. If you notice, may I use the bowl to catch any excess something will go drop off like liquid or whatever, cause this I don't want this to get messy, cause bruh, this is egg. Even though I have bleach and I will for the other disinfectant can use to clean up things. So this is it. I'm gonna let it sit on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I go wash it off and you go see the miracle. After about 20 minutes or probably 30 minutes, cause yeah, me go finish do my scrambled egg or what I go do. Alright, so this is what we're looking like now. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know something I focus. No, I did something that. But don't worry about that. Get it? So this is how it looks. Look, as you say it dry up. As you can see the you can see it dry up on my face, man. Look. we're gonna wash it off and we're gonna see what our face look like. So this is what we're looking like after I'm gonna wash my face. So this is the cleanser that I use to help wash off my face, because but I gotta tell you like that take one good amount of while. Make sure you now wash it over one broad something. Yes, I wanna go outside, because after I'm done do all of this, I have to go bleach out every single thing and use it my Fabulosa and sweet up and everything. Anyway, how it look? I know look at it. Hold on, let me pat dry my face. Wait. I try to fix a piece of false lash them with on my eyelid. Excuse me language. Because I want to come on camera and look cute. What? Nothing wrong with it? Tell me say something wrong with it. I comb my down. Yeah, you know what them thing go? Hold on, I come up close so no. Focus on the camera. I hope so you focus, you know, because you stress me anyway, love. You can't go on, man. Not all that bad. Talk true. I mean, me have some word for my face. Some little teeny one to some for my neck here too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just moisturize my face. Yeah, and that is it for my little thing here. So we're good now. As you can see, this kind of give my skin one like a healthy little glow. Oh God, I don't know nothing much, nothing too bougie or anything. Yes girl, you're glowing, no mud for them. Hold on, wait. Hey, it feels nice. I only could DIY something. I don't know nothing extra. Everything, as me say, you can find them in your cupboard, in your fridge. Just call it our little laboratory. You understand? Yes. So I hope you guys do enjoy my video and learn something from what I just do. Hey, if you're going to try any of this, make sure say you're not allergic to anything, because remember say my skin and your skin, two different skins. So I hope you guys do enjoy my video. Make sure to like. I hope you guys leave a comment below. Leave a comment below and tell me what you like about this video. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I drop a post. Yes, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.